Now open your workbook, page number 11. Open your workbox, page number 11. Here we have the same rules when we are going to use describing words that we call them adjective. Describing words, كلمات الوصف, we called them adjectives. So we use them to compare between two peoples, two things, two animals. So we are going to add R or ER for the adjectives. Then we are going to add the word than. Now we are going to fill in the blanks by adding R, ER to the adjectives that they are given in the brackets. Number 1. The shark is than the whale. The shark is than the whale. We have a whale and a shark. We have two things, two animals. So we are going to add ER or R. Let's see. The adjective is small. Do you remember what's the meaning of small? Small means صغير. So small with ER will be smaller. The shark is smaller than the whale. We have shark and whale. Two things, two animals. إذا كان عندي شيئين شخصين بستخدم ER comparative. So small will be smaller. Small, smaller. Number 2. The highway is than the street. The highway is than the street. The highway means الطريق السريع. Is the adjective is wide. What's the meaning of wide? Wide means عريض. Wide means عريض أو واسع. So the highway is than the street. We have two things compared between high and street. We have two things to compare between them. So wide, we are going to use the adjective with ER. But we have the E here. الE موجودة. So we are going we add R. Wide, wider. Wide, wider. Number 3. My friend's handwriting is than mine. My friend's handwriting is than mine. We are going to use the adjective neat. What's the meaning of neat? مرتب. So, my friend's handwriting, I am going here to compare between my friend's handwriting, كتابة أو الخط للفriends, with mine. With my handwriting. My friend's handwriting or my handwriting. We have than also here. So we are going to compare between two things. Two things, ER. Two things, ER. Two things, two letters. We are going to add two letters, ER. So neat with ER will be neater. My friend's handwriting is neater than mine. أرتب. Number 4. The pen is than the watch. The pen is than the watch. We have two things to compare. We have the pen and the watch. The pen and the watch. The adjective is cheap. Cheap. What's the meaning of cheap? رخيص. So we have the pen, the watch. We have two things to compare. So we are going to add. That's good. ER. ER. So cheap with ER will be cheaper. The pen is cheaper than the watch. أرخص من. Number 5. The rabbit is than the tortoise. The rabbit is than the tortoise. So we have two animals, rabbit and tortoise. Rabbit, أرنب, tortoise, سلحفاة. So we have two animals, two things to compare. So we have the adjective fast. Do you remember what's the meaning of fast? Fast is an adjective, means سريع. So we have two things, two animals. So fast with er will be faster. Number 6. Coconut trees are than mango trees. We have coconut trees اللي هو شجر جوز الهند, and mango trees. The adjective is tall. We have two trees to compare between them. عندي نوعين من الأشجار. So tall with er will be taller. Tall, taller. Number 7. My sister is than me. My sister is than me. The adjective is smart. Smart means the K. So my sister is than me. We have my sister. I'm going to compare between my sister and me. بقارن بين أختي وبين نفسي. So we have two things, two persons. So smart with comparative will be smarter. Smarter. Smart, smarter. The last one is oranges are than lemons. Oranges are than lemons. We have oranges and lemons. We have two things, two kinds, two names. So large will be larger. Large will be larger. الإي موجودة, so we are going just to add R. Just R. Okay, now go to your workbook, page number 12. Page number 12. Fill in the blanks with ST or EST. ST, EST. We said that we use ST or EST to compare between more than three things. More than three things. Number 1. The cheetah is the land animal. So here we are going to compare between the cheetah and all the land animals. One with group. One with group. واحد مع مجموعة. So we are going to use the superlative. So fast with EST will be fastest. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. The fastest animal. Number 2. The old turtle is the animal in the story. The adjective is wise. And we said that wise means حكيم. So wise, two animals, one animal, old turtle and animal in the story. راح أقارن بين التيرتل and all the animal in the story. بقارن واحد مع مجموعة. So wise راح أضيف لها صيغة التفضيل إما ST أو EST. Now we have the E here. الإي موجودة. So we are going to add just ST. So wise, wisest. Wise, wisest. The old turtle is the wisest animal in the story. In the story.